Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both files. Open the Excel workbook and save it to a stable location so the link has a fixed path. Next, in Excel, select the precise cell range or chart you want to keep live and press Ctrl+C to copy. Then switch to PowerPoint and choose the slide and placeholder where the object should live. This immediate action prevents path issues later. Make sure file names are final before you paste, because the link uses that saved workbook location. Once done copying, paste with intent. In PowerPoint, choose Home Paste Special and select Paste Link as Microsoft Excel Worksheet object. That creates a live connection. You can also paste as a picture link if you want a static snapshot. Choose based on whether you need refresh. After pasting, resize and position the object, then right-click to format and hide borders or grid lines. This step controls appearance and preserves the live data flow. So make choices now to avoid rework later. You finish by saving both documents and setting link behavior. File Info Edit links to files lets you choose automatic updates or to prompt on open. If you move or rename the workbook and the link breaks, relink there by changing the source to the new path. If you need a permanent, offline version, break the link or paste without linking to embed the content. Key troubleshooting tip: if updates don't appear, enable external content in PowerPoint and verify the Excel file's permissions and path.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.